Right now, in Meadville, Pennsylvania, USA, a billet of high-carbon, American-made 1080 steel is violently and precisely being transformed into a Channellock tool. Every Channellock plier that comes off the line contains the secrets of over 120 years of metallurgical expertise. Every Channellock is infused with the restless DNA of curious engineers and proud steel artisans. Every Channellock is what happens when ingenuity, determination, and backbone decide to throw a party in a 1,500-degree hardening furnace. Created under pressure, built to perform the same way. It's no accident that on job sites across America, the tools of the trade have Channellock blue handles. Hey, there's all kinds of problems in the world. Let's go fix them.